Hello, Michael, Northwest Highland Stone Care, working on a fiberglass shower. We don't do tons and tons of these, but this is for a property manager we do a bit of work for. And so, massive amounts of soap scum on a fiberglass shower. You can try super strong chemicals to do it, which we don't like to do. So, I'm using a fresh razor blade, and I'm very gently, if you get this in the right angle, go nice and slow, not pushing too hard. I can get a lot of this heavy soap scum off with a razor blade, and then we can clean it. We won't have to use as gnarly of a chemical, and the cleaning will go much faster because the chemical will actually be able to get to the fiberglass and get the rest of so I like to go nice and slow. Once you get in a groove and you get that muscle memory down, it goes pretty good, but you can see that big pile of soap scum. And this will make this go much faster. I like to go this way, but you can go like that and make it, make it just look like it's snowing in here. Look at that. So, oh my goodness, that is awesome. If you like peeling glue off your hands, you might pay to do this.